And I call upon everybody, the industry, music, to come and we join hands promoting the Western Uganda talent. It is possible. We can raise anybody. What is very important is working together. For the remaining number of days, we know we can push this event and it can be successful. I call upon the people of Mbarara and the surrounding areas that please you come and support this event like we have supported other events. So basically from Mbarara City, ejini timu eyitubaretire akatweze ngu talent y'Abambarara City Mbarara nabo bakagera y'Abambarara City abende bo twabaletera muri Mbarara ngira haba kampani tukija kuzishaka niko turukujira natwaza aha atwake tuza kutwara ibana. We are very careful, this team is very careful. They went to Ibanda and sat with people there but they had to take a hoha ugumwaka baba tuhiriza kanda atwaka baba. And I'm the director of Honor Radio, and 1.8 is found in the town of Rukunjiri. But we cover almost all the region of Western Uganda. Like the speaker said, this is not our first time to come here at the city, partnering with Alex Muhanji, my brother. We've been doing it, and so far so good. Okijomo mu city n'umulingo kumwe go kubeta ngwa city mwije mutayire ho kunjiri mukwa mushandu 12 twatwineyo ko kuspeak y'Abaganda ekiguturo cyabona FM ubwo mwaka tucyesire mu ruhenda myambi bamwambizana arrow. So we say it is that strong, it can break the arrows. And it is going to be massive, like I said. Why we have that chikuturo, we always celebrate. After celebrating Emyaka Mnana in existence. And we want people of all walks of life to come and be with us. We do business together. Basically, if someone has a business, you come to Kunjiri on that day, you do business. So in a Sudan KG, when Kawaba Pepsi, Bijakwa Rio, or in anything you can think of. For us, we are gathering thousands and thousands of people to come to one place, then they provide market for the products. So we are calling everybody to come to our Kasich at the University in Mbarara here on 9th May. We celebrate together and we inform the public that please follow us, and we go to Kunjiri on 12th July 2025. I take this opportunity to welcome everybody here, the bloggers, all the media houses, my fellow influencers. On a short notice to see that you have really come, big numbers. I'm sincerely very happy. Secondly, I'm throwing this to you. You are my brothers and sisters. That together we can. Someone can question our timing, but like my brother has said, we could not bring this before Tuesday's show is done. We did it intentionally. We had numerous meetings, and we agreed that though we could have some little time ahead, but let us first support the brother. So we've been here, and we want to congratulate our brother for having a very successful event. And I call upon everybody, the industry, music, to come and we join hands promoting the Western Uganda talent. It is possible. We can raise anybody. What is very important is working together. For the remaining number of days, we know we can push this event and it can be successful. I call upon the people of Mbarara and the surrounding areas that please you come and support this event like we have supported other events. I thank you so much. For that good question. Comme the store kuko nabanabagambire okutikira mu ndugu tukubanga kwijaha kandi tukukira kwijamba rarahonka been to Suport can't plan no kuzomyanya ndisho. So specifically for Mbarara, this is your turn because we have a numerous number of busichi we are going to have. Tuenda kuzashika gati, tuenda kuzishaka, tuenda kuzibanda, tuza kuza rubare, tuja kuza kanungu.
Yes, ndunga mawu.
Basically, tuza kukora awareness. Then for abaru kunjiri. Ukusanga ababana tabatire aha artwork age. First of all, nibo bakama ba mega event. And normally tuchira kubahereza rukundi. Konka na kwa hidron tutambara handa hina abagambe. Bo bariyo. So tendikunda mumulete abunyi naha nabarukuja kuba bari Mbararan. Then nabo tukija twarashika gati, we are going to have them tuja kumantu bateka ababaru kunjiri. Abarukuja kuzakana nabo ntubamanya, abarukuja kutwara ishaka nabo baruho, abarukuja kutwara rubare baruho, kandi nabo tukija kutwara chikagate nabo baruho. So basically from Mbarara City, ejini timu eyitubaretire akatweze ngu talent y'abambarara City. Mbarara nabo bakagera. Y'abambarara City abende bo twabaretero muri Mbarara. Ngira haba kampani. Tukija kuzishaka niko turukujira. Natwaza aha artwork ituza kutwara ibana. We are very careful, this team is very careful. They went to Ibanda and sat with people there, but they had to take a hoha, ugumwaka, baba tuhiriza kanda artwork ababa. So tuza kuzishaka, where Roigi comes from, Roigi is on, he must appear on the pretty map, yes. They must appear on the flyer. So, kuja rukunjiri, abaru kunjingetu kuja kubateka. Thank you so much.
We bali mnonga director kandi mwamungu ya uze chibuzo chibuzo. Very sensitive question. We bali mnonga uze chibuzo kecho. Inondija ine chibuzo nange chakwenda kamba.
Okay. Mbarara NKORE MEDIA. Just a china nda kuuza ho sometimes. Tukwantuza comedy store. Kitawamwa kwa ngada content wa store kwa kuchikabali. Ikimanya abanako kwa kucheza
Intekateka reason ni behind the bank. Donc jina comedy store in official sponsors. Kando mweno shangangu nimbama mtabulize prior, mtabulize kare. Kugira ngo nito nashitubuze aha sponsors turinde their mind. Konkati mwachigamba kare. I think we are going to make enough consultations so that by that time by able to reach this kugira ngo tuinde na kana they are supposed to cover the show.
Bali mnonga director. Ichinde chibuzo.
Guys, mnyenda kuanza kubachira bali mnonga kwisha. No tule twachi batochira black kama wasa kubanuka. Thank you. Mwena media houses, influencers, TikTokers, bloggers and vloggers. Nyenda kwebaza director abokuba shimangwe kuba bingi. Bantu mwe nyonkoze nabona FM. It is 6 years now. We are celebrating 8 years, but 6 years working with Bona FM. So nimbasha bangu okutwarga information eitu ya no wereri ncheninga mpango katwaze tuchitekeyo. And what I know, director ninga shi management ya Bona FM tindu kujiwana ninga kugira chikonke kindu kumanya ngo nesima emirimo eyo kubo chikoni. Hamyaka mukage inambara nikora na Bona FM. tukozere twaza za Suport tours. Now this is Mbarara tour. Here to expecting ena mampango mnonga kandi kindi nshonga y'abantu babuza we kugira ngo abana barukungira bake batari afuraya nyongera kugitangaza mu director yagitangarizemo kugira ngo nanye nimbandi omwe akaki abari kucyuzinga performance tukashara mtu wajya ngo ubona FM shibe kwa neta yayira buri kichweka ninga shiburi district omuri burenge resort. So tukugira ngo hati nimbarara tuwa twena tuyizuzeho abambarara munonga kandi twajya mu kanungu tuwa aho ba big bounce bayibona bakanungu twenda mutube no tuyizuzayo bana bambara then twajya ngo twaza kuza 40 tugira ngo hata ba Suport tube no tuyizuzayo, but at the same time nabwe abari kunji they have to perform abarabe bize na team erabe rugaru kunji eri kwisha kuno. So exchange za kwa chikiri ambabi ne perform then ekindi bantu mubwire bwatu. So please push the information ike ahari buryo mwe urukuru kwataho kugira ngo ebiro mwenda abe namanya what is happening in Mbarara. Twakire wiye tukashana kugira ngo tube turekire kushoza atu akana ne kivuru kuki heheza munonga aba truth 256 student fune byivuru mkebi hakijamwe kindi nango muntu achikwata information achikwata kubi agira ati bona FM ne Rwanda truth abachi ahanike kivure cha truth kitaka hwi. So tukasema wajya ngo though it is our time konkaka twe turinzireho truth abanze yarga. So bantu mwe nimbasha watu wargaha ikatusindike information then kindi kwenda kwa maisa the team we have here na nabatija konka bari ya team echi yo pushinga this event. It is the same team ni nchabangu tugumze mutusindika mpaka ebiro 12 byo kwa mushanju kwikachi guturu cyabona FM. Ijo ni event tureneba omuri burenge wizoba iyo kubasa crediting nka one of the biggest events abo kwa wanjira event akanakaski. So you can guess what is coming on 12th July in Rukunjiri main stadium. Abo kwaka kandi kabasa kwaka kandi obusiboro utwine nakachi kagate nakibanda naka ishaka bona they are big, even bigger than this one, the first one. So please ahora abugane fry on Robona FM push chochona kweni mbashaba tumwenka banda tukabanza kumitinga kuja mu twata leo. Thank you very much.
Wale Bobu kinye kibuzo kola.
Yes. Mwena bari aha director nabanyeta kola business ya Western bloggers nanyenda kusima aboko ba echo bakora anecho tuye nokora tuburyo mwengo nakibasa kandi binja bakubiyene bat supporting akitwe twena tungatu bakukibasa. So I want to take this opportunity to say thank you akujyankitwe nkaba influence amwe na nebyo nokora byo no umukivura abo kuba tugo kubanza kureba kivurisha ubona FM umke kinkumanya you have done a lot of things to promote our talents. Abo kuba nimanya na horaze hona people will keep appreciating umweno baye batagamba because you're trying hard to promote our talents. On the other hand, we will love you and optereze monkey our influencers in our programs. Turahara nena keji fry twajiri bano kusinga and we wish the best. Inza kumanyisa abafana banje na nabandi ncenda nabo bakore batyo. We will make it great. And thank you so much.
You are welcome. One thing big I need to let these people know. No kugira ngo the king herself Cindy Sanyu amena message semakura bakagira ngo bakatusha bankatimu kubarije kuntu bari kwenda kweshongora CD benda kuchikora live.
Fantastic.
And basically nechina binimba shabira ngo bachikore live no kugira ngo by the way kwa roiji na chikora je live timba ngama chetegeriza when is doing it live ninga truth. So tuzire muchikore live tabantabi ababana bakijya hansi they feel motivated kandi bamenye ngo you have to do it practically. So yowe na chiho mcho musigazi yagamba promoting a talent, that is my passion. Because ngashanganya ebyensi to kubimara. But I know what I will have to give you that looks permanent. Necho kugira ngo I have worked with DJ Bristol. If I have given you a platform and it has pushed you somewhere, I know you live to appreciate. Even if I'm gone, I know you will have a reason to sing about me even after very many years. Thank you.
Mbararan director, thank you so much Kora Business for supporting the cause. Inechine tuzo
zena byanze yazine zedde serebu wa Mbarara. Ninkorana tayari West to extra Monday to Friday is an entertainment show. Kandi tindi I happen to be spokesperson of Western Uganda program association. Mine kama
Ngira nyusebe tukuira.
Kubanza chabiona I've been working with you indirectly because these Bristols, the speakers, Eddie Pro, they are my guys. Even this one, even last year I was pushing this too. Mine is like a suggestion. The way oiniraka ikuchiraho agitu omukwatagana mnonga na comedy store na kutukora. But right now ngokutufunire blast ya singers abeshongozi industry to ya burenduza they are doing well, but entertainment is wide. We don't have active comedians here, and the people are here, they are talented. Arhogayas tamari masweko gogu na Bruce we n'abandi bana bari, but we don't have them on face kugira ngo tubarebe nk'uko habaho event ya truth turebeho comedian witwa yarebeka wa stage aza kugira ngo tibine talents ninga tibari tibine platform tibine na marketing na promotion bitejo na nabo abo kuba supporting utukira kura munonga ka China noza kujoroti kushange wini MC kibiki, but it's not more serious with comedy book tukura ababura tinko mawani nko chap ya gamba oma timu ya kuservinga performers. We are looking into this kujangu kuna yo comedians bitu promoting industry ejiraba bantu bingi dereva versatility singers artists akantuka ahandi wakorete ntubantu konjara thumbs like we have already given.
I want to thank ikintu kwenda ngo trusting it when I want to is that everything is possible. I remember because I'm not but I do sing. First show Rastachaz ya Jire, I come to the store Kampala, even China, I was behind it. I remember when Truth we have na first platform we are coming the store. I remember how nature nchibasika kandi chaza basika today. Ishtura kukora nabagamba ngo twinde very many other events. Ishtura kukora speaking as a kunyamba identifying our comedian. Okay? We can give them I will perform flyer over even on names to be testing rap. Then we can give them gigs outside. We can travel with them to Chikagati. We can go with them to Ibanda or Ishaka. But nyoni manyam talent never. Most especially if people show you that they trust what you are doing. Abana bindi ni chimanyani batamama minji you invest in all your resources. To make that small thing you are going to catch. So, to appreciating what you have, then to money to taking another step. We are going to do it.
Mbararan director, and that's a very, very key point to talk. So, we can't go to
That's what I'm the president of our program validity.
so nanyuma kugira ngo akira twatungaka kakose kugira ngo CEO tuyambe statement yorake mukora hati otugambira tuyinogo line kugira ngo tumoke bipejo kugira ngo abantu bari ari babajoyera hati next ben twafuna clip next yabo kugira ngo umuntu yaje gwaho nakubana amadara ko bara ina kugira ngo twabo mnogo kandi abantu they have to know about this line nza tuyamba okutura numbers
bari mnogo kansalamu director
I talk about the lineup. Lineup itwine aha muntu ari kuda kuba entertained mpango. First of all twine papa message sema kura urukweshongore cyeshongoro cyone cyayeshongora buri generation nikazwara. Then kugira ngo tugire gender balance tukaleta the king herself. Cindy Sanyu twine Reiji utukweta king wa Western Uganda kandi umusigazi wo guteka has inspired very many people. Twine Tipol, twine Truth, twine Chris Evans wayishongwire byeshongoro byona byona byarukunde by'umuntu ari kubasa kukurikiriza akagaruka kareba. We have Chosen Becky, Kine Sister Charity, Twine Rasta Jazz, and very many comedians like Chapamile, Twine Mbararan and Rain, Twine Papro, Twine Mariachi. So like you can see, we have very many. So like Amona has really said, we are supposed to unleash this lineup. It is a very big lineup. In the TikTokers, in artists savandi, abaha Mbarara, abutukija kuhereza chance batwereke talent yabo. But please, whoever is interested, don't shy away. Come to Gambe, tuhereze platform. Abantu bakwikiriza. What at the entrance. Ordinary. Ndikumanye kigambo ordinary bana bakitugoze kigambo ordinary.
Geno.
Meno nduye tukaja mu geno. Mutu kwenda ngwaze nabandi. Nishiri njo mutwara. Kandi niyendanga abantu bambara. Ikikwenda ngurere to appreciating about this show. No kugira ngwitwe brand ya comedy store. Waza kambara baragire biro kambara. Nimanyeze mukushashura. So actually nyana ngutsima Alex Muhanji. Mnonga. Kugira nkamusha banamugira ngo hatu wija kuno mu Western Uganda. Akuja ngo promoting ece kintu omubantu ba. Ninyenda ngo to making sure ngo atahembera ezo muntu ari kuja kwangurwa kuja kazama. Yarugisinga kurga mutware ebiri twatekara shinjo mutwara. So ordinary ningashi geno nishirinjo mutwaro, then VIP ningashi orukuja kubana abaina kateba stami nishirinje mutware 3, then a table of 5. We have mwene ya platinum and this one gold, mwene mutwaro 15 platinum, then gold 1 million.
Because that information was a macro representing all these artists, pretty much, as you can say something.
So we shaka.
Microphone.
So
mwasibamta.
Okay. Manyori munene.
Ndamuhango.
Wait, sigara.
Kandi nechindo yo wisaka.
Mwasibamta. Hapa mimi mwenda mwasiba kurundi. Amazina nila kan pretty imak. Ndio mshongozi wa Benjerizo, blessing Benjerizo. So on behalf of the artists abaza performing, not only ahakasiki akakomedi store kaha, but mainly nanacho the main event ndia hakubeta mwishe mutajira. Please come and support. Mwishe murabe shongozi binja bakuza kuruka Kampala abakuza kuba yaha abitwa baburisho. We thank God kugira ngo back in the days ekintu kachije kuko shanga hari shongozi kababiro abo mu Western Uganda, but hati rusima hanga kugira ngo nibindi barenga muri batanu plus kandi abo nabari ha posters konkana nabandi abakuza ku performance n'abatari aha artwork nabo nibindi. So me personally I've already nara performing ziriho aha show empango y'ekibutoro, and it gave me a very bigger platform as an artist yaru kandi abantu benshi munonga from those ends because personally can't performing avuga aha event any event. So my very first performance happened to be on a very bigger stage. So I had to be here to call upon everyone abakunda supporting our talents. Please, this is a very bigger platform for all of us and also to enjoy. So come one, come all. Mutakaye mutahamwe mutware shatu mutara tanu na midi.
Bona tanizire bakani umugushingaho ukanyise kwanza kusima talent sezo mu Western katahayo kumva koshana tugwa abantu kwata abo kutongera so njobora abana bindi hati bimukire umugato baryo n'ubarya mugato kutakwa hobo kutaho gwa internet. So ni kusima kandi weje kukunda weje kutere imhanda kama kondorushi.
Sasa kucherera first of all better late than never. So chokubaza ekinkwenda kusimaho, this is the first show ya comedy store kushanganisha shiro mtwaro. Nije nkwenda kurwana nkwenda gamba bya high tickets onka Amember tickets nkate benjali abasettled. Thank you so much. Then my question is, ujesha open ticket Nigeria.
Director always doesn't buy the idea of the Amember tickets at the store.
No ticket.
But this time we are going to find like a way of handling that share ticket area, because here in Mbarara selling Amember tickets is very key. So we shall have table tickets and VIP tickets. Then Amember tickets, we shall have like one outlet where people can pick them. That is the reason but VIP and tables.
I hope that question is answered. And more to that, especially in Kampala now, Boba can embrace online ticketing. The reason we witnessed it just this show that just ended. It's the truth. You can imagine, even wristbands. That's the reason data want to know where so I walk to Kandi Mbarara or in Western region. Stop embracing the online ticketing. So major average tickets except for tables. Because go bula table at this stage on Bani Mangu, Yazini a bula table. So you ticket package in hard seat of the wristbands in and that's the day. Whether I'm known, a hand, chile chocolate, a DJ question.
No way. No cinema. Love cinema. Made me. Yeah, the reason that I am today. Cinema, but because you don't really need how much and you sit together. So in cinema, I'm going to cinema mnonga washuali ukakora Kristo icyari kideni nahinduza washuali na abona FM kandi na abamaniga ukongera achituro today cyanje nangwa ayira mu cyeza kiteke kandi department y'DJ akuba ndeba tugamba bishongozi comedians n'abandi kana ataka akashosho aba DJ so think kumanya ni tumwe ndivu ndebe turi abantu bamwe abakuganira peki so nani lazima ndaze mu byo shonga manye okutura twasaganya kwa kitabe kibache beta kugira ngo mubasa kufuna DJ kubasa kujechi ya ngao ushange na bestiro mu ndafanya tunagambe mazina konkani bingi mtwama so kibasa kujocha ya mbona kijecha ya
Thank you, and when Injirangu Hangu Mnonga is how we get organized. Like we have brought it up. When show get to catch managing away. Don't talk to DJ, a visiting DJ from Kampala and a team. We got a person managing the show up to the end. So I think Karim look into that. DJ is a bit more than to a Manyari, and we have given, you know, Mbarara and we have moved. Okay? What is very important is knowing that we have a variety of events. Konkan cage, very nani yourself. Let us have them organized. Manyangu naga for and we can give them the chance.
Director, this very Friday.
Ita yo kustama, noleva tuajira echi tuastama.
This Friday, okay guys.
We need to have a huge drive. Yeah. We shall have 1 week to the show. That's why we are
For
choosing
me,
this
that's
Friday.
why I have chosen Friday. On Friday, we move around. We inform people that 7 days remaining to the main event. Room town, and we come back. We make a statement.
On the top of that, I will request the director, Jam.
Tamborinje tushabe abino chiko ni mambo mwenye bora angara shito hamwe hata kusimama kweraza aba presage takusimira byona abwese anonje ora ntoma abamagara maronje kusimira ibintu byona byo tukorire kuyihana tutandaka gukora na comedy store kuyitandika utire n'utubera kandi utire n'utubera kandi hati tushaba ebitora yose teka byona bishikiriza ubu mazina n'umuriro n'abaza Amen.